Look at with me about question number 1. The area of rectangle equal lengths product by widths. Lengths by widths. Choose letter B. Question number 2. In triangle APC, if AP equal BC equal 5 centimeter and EC was 3 centimeter, then the triangle we called it an isosceles. An isosceles triangle because we have two sides equal lengths. We called it an isosceles triangle. Choose letter A. Question number 3. Which of the following called origin point will be 0 and 0? We called it origin point. The point here lies on x-axis. It will be what? Any point lies in x-axis, then y will be equal 0. Any point contains of x and y. If this point lies in x-axis, then the second coordinate y will be 0. Such that what? We can choose 5 and 0. Choose letter D. This point lies in x-axis. Here we have this point 5 and 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This point 5 and 0. Next question. Number 5. 6 product by 2 and 5 over 8. Right here 8. 2 times 8 equals 16. 16 plus 5 equal 21. 8 divided by 2 equal 4. 6 divided by 2 equal 3. And 3 times 1 equal 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. And then you can convert this number from proper to mixed number. 63 divided by 4 equal what? We know 4 times 15 equals 60. 60 plus 3 equals 63. Next question. The area of rectangle of dimensions 5.5 and 2.5. We can find the area equal length times width. The length here 5.5 product by width 2.5. We can write 2 in the numerator. 2 times 5 equal 10 plus 2 plus 1 equal 11. 2 times 2 4 plus 1 equal 5. 2 times 2 equal 4. 5 times 11 55. And then you can sample this fraction by convert from improper to mixed number. Write 4 in the numerator. 55 divided by 4 equal what? 4 times 12 equal 48. You can write 48, count from 48 to 55, it will be 7. Or you can divide it, okay? 5 divided by 4 equal 1 and the remainder 1. 15 divided by 4 equal 3 because 3 times 4 equal 12 and the remainder 3. And the result will be 13 and 3/4 square meter. It's the area of rectangle length times width. Question number 7. Which of the following is correct? 1 over 5 and 2 over 7, no, they are not equivalent because 1 over 5 not equivalent to over 7. Question number 2. 2 over 3 and 10 over 15. You can sample this fraction by divided by 5 numerator and denominator. 10 divided by 5 equal 2. 15 divided by 5 equal 3. Then it's correct. Choose letter B about this example. Next question. The number of thirds is 1 and 1 is 3. Question number 8. The number of thirds in 1 is 3 because 1 equal third plus third plus third. And the number of third in 1 is 3. Choose letter C. Next question. In the triangle ABC, measure of angle A equal 50, measure B 60, measure C 70. Then the triangle is equal what? We called it an acute angle triangle because all angles here, the measure of it less than 90 degree. Okay, then we must choose letter A, an acute triangle, because any angles, the measure of it less than 90 degree and greater than 0, we called it an acute angles. Then we must choose here letter A. Question number 10. Fifths divided by 4, we can write fifths product by reciprocal about 4, it will be 1 over 4. 1 times 1 equal 1, 4 times 5 equal 20. And the result will be 1 over 20. Next example, question 11. 3 divided by half or 6, which greater? 3 divided by half or 6? We can write 3 product reciprocal about half, it will be 2. 2 times 3 6, then the result will be equivalent. Question 12. A cuboid has 4 horizontal layers and 5 cube units in each layer. Then its volume, we can write the product between number of horizontal layers. Horizontal layers here 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 horizontal layers, and each one contains of how many cube? 4 horizontal layers and 5 cube units in each one. Each one contains 5 units. Then we can write 5 product by 4 equal 20 cube units. Shows letter D about question 12. Okay, we can write the volume of cuboids, the number of horizontal layers product is the number of cube in each one. Then the result will be 20. Question 13. The simplest form of 36 over 48 we can divide it by 12, numerator and numerator. 36 divided by 12 equal 3, and 48 divided by 12 equal 4. Then the result will be 3 over 4. Question 14. 1 subtract by 3 over 4, we can write 4 over 4 subtract by 3 over 4. And the difference between them, 4 minus 3 equal 1, then the result will be 1 over 4. Question number 1. 5 divided by half, we can write 5. That specifically about half, it will be 2. 2 times 5 equal 10. Question number 2 is the least common multiples of two denominators, third and 1 over 7 is what? The least common multiplication, it will be 0 product. 3 times 7 equal 21. Okay, because 7 and 3 we called it relatively prime numbers. Question number 3. The volume of cuboid 100 cubic centimeter and the width 5 centimeter and its height 2 centimeter. Then the length will be equal volume over width product by height. And then the length equals the volume here equal 100 over width was 5 and the height was 2. Then the result will be 100 over 10. The result will be 10 centimeter. Question number 4. In triangle ABC, EB was 5 centimeter and the BC 7 centimeter and the EC 3 centimeter. We called it scalene triangle. Okay, we called it scalene triangle because all sides are different. We called it scalene triangle. Okay, next question number 5. Third of 3, it's meaning third product by 3, the result will be 1. Question number 6. The product of 4 over 5 and 3 over 3, it will be exact result because 3 over 3 it will be 1. Okay, 4 over 5 product by 3 over 3, 3 over 3 it's meaning 1. 1 times 4 over 5 it will be 4 over 5. Question 7. If half of B equal 5 over 6, then B equal what? We can find the value of B by find 5 over 6 divided by half. Then the value of B equal 5 over 6 product by reciprocal about half, it will be 2 over 1. And then you can sample it by divided by 2 numerator and numerator. 2 divided by 2 1, 6 divided by 2 equal 3, 1 times 5 equal 5, and 1 times 3 equal 3. Then the value will be equal 5 over 3, and then you can sample this fraction by convert from proper to mixed number. Right here 1, 5 divided by 3 equal 1, and the remainder 2, then the result will be 1 and 2 over 3. The points 0 and 3 lies on y-axis. We have here 0 and 3, this point lies in axis. Question number 3, solve, showing here the pie chart. In the opposite figure, we can raise the pie chart here, the difference between 1 and sum of two fractions here, 7 over 20 and 5 over 20. We can write 1 subtract sum of two number 12 over 20. You can convert 1 here, it will be 20 over 20, and then write 20 in numerator, and 20 minus 12, it will be 8, and 8 over 20 you can divide it by 4 numerator and numerator. 8 divided by 4 equal 2, and 20 divided by 4, it will be 5. Then the result will be 2 over 5. Understood? Next question. Graph the points here. First point and the last one, what is the name of the figure? Okay, we can draw the graphical here. Graphical 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The first point 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Coming from 2 and going to 8. Can you see this? Okay, 2 and 8. So point A, point B, 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Point C here, 8 and 4, 8 and 4. Point D, 7 and 8, 7 and 8. A, B, C, D, we have here parallelogram. We called it parallelogram because each of the sides are equal in lengths and parallel. Okay, it's properties about parallelogram. Each of the sides are equal in lengths and parallel. Okay, it's parallelogram. We can write here ABCD is a parallelogram. Parallelogram. It's parallelogram. Next example, question number 3. If the price of each box is 10.5 Egyptian lira, find the price of 8 boxes. Okay, we can find the product between two numbers. We can write 10.5 product by the number of boxes. Write 2 in the numerator, 2 times 10, 20 plus 1 equal 21. Write 8 divided by 2 equal 4. 4 times 1 equal 4 and 2 times 4 equal 8. Then the result will be 84 Egyptian lira. Next example. Find the volume of cuboid dimension 70, 50, 30. We can write the volume equal length product by width product by height. Dimension 70 here and 50 and 30. Write 30. 3 times 5 equal 15. 15 times 7. Okay, we can write here 1, 2, 3. 5 times 7 equals 35. Write 5 and carry up 3. 1 times 7 equals 7 plus 3 equals 10. Then the result will be 105,000 cubic centimeter.